How to apply coupons on Temu app. So here is easy to flow guide for applying coupons on the Temu app. First of all you have to do is open the Temu app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are signed into your Temu account. Once in there, all you have to do is tap on the cart icon available at the bottom tab and navigate to your cart section. Once inside the cart, all you have to do is tap on the checkout option available there. Review your items, then move to the checkout page. I only have one item available. You can add as much as you want according to your preferences. Then once I tap on the checkout, all you have to do is simply look for the enter coupon code box available there, or you can say apply coupon code option available there, and simply tap on it and apply the coupon code. Type or paste your code and tap apply. You should see your order total update instantly. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.